that's really helped in this game. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. Are you excited?
Yes. And you came to season 2. Have you watched season 1?
Yes, of course. I'm a very big fan of season 1.
How excited?
Very excited, very thrilled. This is going to mark my OTT debut, and I don't think I could have asked for a better team. I could have asked for anything better, to be honest, because it's been absolutely fantastic. I love that all my co-actors are so amazing, so talented. They've all done a splendid job. I'm working with some of the best creators in the country. I'm working with Karan, with Netflix. I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I think they have some of the best content.
Tell us about your role. क्योंकि teaser से ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है आपके role के बारे में.
मैं ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं बता पाऊँगी because I think that's the intrigue behind it. But अगर मुझे थोड़ा बहुत बताना हुआ तो मेरे किरदार का नाम है आलिया ओबेरॉय. Me and my family, we are new to Rana Naidu and that world, but we are bringing our own world into the world of Rana Naidu. As far as Alia Oberoi is concerned, she's unapologetic. She's cutthroat, extremely cutthroat. She's very ambitious. And yeah, I think that's a little bit about her.
And Karan sir, Rana Naidu Bandam season 1 I watched. That complexity which you create in an action genre in your previous projects as well. What inspires you, sir? एक action को हमने बॉलीवुड में देखा है, simple चलता है, hero is powerful, he doesn't have that much dilemmas. But आपकी सीरीज देखते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है, okay, actor की भी layers हैं, villain की भी layers हैं, villain की family, everyone has layers. What inspires you to go so deep and so layering of the character?
एक्शन तो मज़ा लेने के लिए, राइट? लेकिन हम जो कहानी कह रहे हैं और जो बता रहे हैं वो रियली एक ड्रामा है. और जो भी जिस चीज़ पे भी मैं काम करता हूँ उसमें आई ट्राई टू बिल्ड ऑन द लाइक अ लार्ज कास्ट और उनके बीच जो रिलेशनशिप्स हैं उनको कितना हम डीपली एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं, उसी से ड्रामा आती है. एंड आउट ऑफ दैट, लाइक इफ यू कैन यूज द जॉनर ऑफ एक्शन टू take it to the extreme. That's what I try to do. But वो core जो thought है वो हमारा, it's always about how do we dig deep into relationships.
So do you credit yourself in evolving the all action genre in India?
No, but but definitely I think platforms like Netflix gives us a lot of opportunity because of the long format to explore things in a way, and I really enjoy telling a longer story.
कभी आपको अगर बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होती है तो who is a go-to person? You only.
Yeah.
And sir, we have also seen कि before, please correct me if I'm wrong. Before the debut, you started Spirit Media.
That was my first show, yes.
Yeah.
I
So
started visual effects.
in the VFX, those are parts.
Yes.
Yeah. The time now we have seen is VFX animation. Now they are winning good. They are going global. But in 2005 in India,
It's too early.
2005, you before even going to the industry, you started a Spirit Media, which eventually went for all we imagine as Life को pan distribute भी किया. What is this vision, sir? And what are you looking for in the Bollywood? Where do you see the Bollywood in like coming years? Because
See, to me, cinema is one. Language never mattered to me when I was watching it as a child. So growing up and working in it also, it didn't matter which language it was from. And I feel there's a voice to all kinds of stories. And that I was like, the first film that we made at Spirit Media was an art house film called Belly Full of Dreams, and art house didn't have any other way to release, and I feel like now, since I got a little bit more popular, I can advocate for some cinema. So that was why All We Imagine is young.
and so one last question, if you allow me.
Sure.
So people often say कि Rana sir came from a good family, good prestigious family. So we often think कि एक prestigious film family, how far do you think it can help an actor?
See, when any industry that your family is from, you understand it more than somebody who's not.
Yeah.
Uh, how does it help an actor? So ultimately, you have to stand in front of the camera and act. There'll be a lot more opportunity that you get. There will be an ecosystem that you understand. It's like if your family is from chemical industries or sugar factories, you'll understand how a sugar factory works and all the byproducts of sugar. Like that, my mother worked in a film laboratory, so I understood what a film laboratory looks like and how that functions. So my father worked in a studio, so I understood how that functions, and my uncle was an actor. So
Was there any
that's it.
pressure, if ever, to become an actor or you wanted to do something?
I mean, pressure in that sense was always self-inflicted. That in some manner you want to do something which is unique, which is new, that stands out and stands for a long period of time. So yeah, whether it's visual effects, whether it's acting, producing,
Really
one of the same
wonderful,
for me.
sir. And thank you for being honest, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.